Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting Apple AirPlay to their Samsung TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the TV's Settings menu and navigate to General and then Apple AirPlay Settings. Step 2. Enable AirPlay. Ensure AirPlay is enabled and adjust access settings if needed to allow your devices to connect. Step 3. Select TV. On your Apple device, select the content and swipe down to access AirPlay. Choose your Samsung TV from the list. Step 4. Enter code. If prompted, enter the code displayed on your TV into your Apple device to connect successfully. Step 5. Start streaming. Tap the AirPlay icon on your device to start streaming content directly on your Samsung TV screen. Now you should be able to seamlessly stream content using Apple AirPlay on your Samsung TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.